In this guide, I'll show you how to fix UK Immigration ID Check app locked for 24 hours. The first and easiest solution is to wait for the 24 hours to pass. The lock cannot be bypassed, so you must wait until the 24-hour period is finished. Secondly, ensure you are using the correct login details. Double check your email and password, and if you forget your password, just reset it at gov.uk before trying again. And finally, restart your device and app. Close the app completely, restart your phone and open the app again, then make sure the app is fully updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Use a stable internet connection and try different devices if the issue persists. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.